Hi everyone, and welcome back to this comprehensive video series covering all things 3D modelling in Clip Studio Paint. If you haven't seen the previous videos in this series, please check them out so you can catch up with us. And with that being said, let's continue. Now we're going to focus up here. So this star is your favorites. I have a lot of things favored because they cost things, so I actually have to save my clippy. When you're searching, all you have to do is press the star if you want it to go into your favorites so you can have it later. If you remember the Illustrator Studio and Comic Studio tags, the really kind of old ones, this might be one. Yep, see, here we go. If you favorite it, it won't appear in your favorites. I have no idea why. Celsius, please fix this. Settled means you've downloaded. See, I can get rid of that now because I've downloaded. Pending, that means that you haven't downloaded it yet, so most of them. I really wish they had a search bar like this here so I could sort through 3D models and brushes and materials, etc. Alright, we're going back and we are going to the drop down menu. So you can access favorites here as well. You go to downloads. These are just all the material that you've downloaded. I'm not exaggerating when I've downloaded a lot. I have 75 pages worth of downloads. If you've accidentally deleted a material, you can just search for it here. Again, Celsius, please add a search bar. It's terrible trying to find old material. I usually just go to here and type in curtains or whatever I've downloaded and then find it again because you can see the tick. As you can see, the green tick, okay, I've downloaded that before. Go back here and we go to uploads. This is where you can track all the material you've uploaded yourself. Be aware that Clip Studio and Celsius have a copyright policy. You cannot upload anything that you didn't create yourself. And by that I mean you can't just download a 3D model from another website and upload it here because it's not fair use. So these were all created using Clip Studio Paint's models, which are fair use. They're free for commercial use. And all I've done is post and staged them. So here is how many times it's been downloaded, how many times it's been liked. This is gifts, so you can actually gift people Clippy if it's a free material. And this is your money. So I don't have any right now because I just redeemed it all before. Oops. But if someone downloads this and they pay the 20 Clippy for it, I will click redeem here. You'll be drawn to this page. So if you earn 5,000 Clippy, you can actually transfer it into gold, which is important because some materials can only be bought with gold, not Clippy. And you have to buy gold. So if you don't want to buy gold, you can just save up 5,000 Clippy for 500 gold. So what you want is you just click Clippy token and say you'll have your amount here. So said I have 100, I would just put that there and I would go next. It'll probably tell me I don't have it. Yeah, I don't have enough. And then the next page will simply say redeem and you redeem it. And then you will have Clippy in your little Clip Studio bank account. If you've uploaded a material and you need to change something, operations is where you'll do it. So you can edit it. You need to change the description or add some photos of the models being used or even video. I think GIFs are available. You can change the price, which is what I will do with this one. So I uploaded this 23 hours ago. So when the 48-hour time limit is up and I receive my 150 free Clippy, I will change it and I'll probably charge maybe 20 or 30 Clippy, which is about 30 cents, not much, and continue to hopefully earn on that. Hi guys, sorry for the interruption, but if you're enjoying this video and it's helping you, please give it a like and a share so others can find it. What helped you might help someone else. If you could also subscribe, that'd be great too. There'll be plenty of videos in this series, so click that big black button below so you don't miss a single one. If you have any questions, pop them down in the comment section below and I'll answer them as best I can. New post. Pretty explanatory. You click materials for Clip Studio, not anything else, just this one, and it'll open up Clip Studio. Manage materials. This is one I've created because it is a pattern on one of my character's shirts, a little kid. So what you would go is you would double click it And what you'll get is this page. There might be different options here depending on what material it is. What you want to do is publish to assets, add a description, add some pictures if you want. That's the icon. Tag it in Japanese and in English if you can, so that people can find it. Name it, and you go proceed to set content information. And then you can decide whether it's free or paid. If it's paid, you enter it in here. Just note that the 0 counts. So if you do 50, it's not 50 clippy, it's 500, because it includes that. So if you want to charge just 50 clippy, just put a 5 in. Choose which software it can be used in. If it's explicit, smoking, drinking, religion, violence, and sexual content. So any of those things, you will need to tick that. You need to tick, I understand the rules. That basically says that this material is yours and you didn't steal it. Temporary upload. It will start uploading here. It won't appear in your uploads unless it's done here. Now we go to uploads, and there it is. But it's not live yet. See, it's unpublished. So we need to go to operations, preview and post. If you're ready to go, publish. I'm not, because this is my material. I don't want other people to use it. So I'm just deleting it. Now we're going to go to Gold Wallet and Clippy Wallet. I'm going to explain to you the inner workings of both these currencies. Gold is essentially money. You buy it with actual money. So to get gold, you need to click buy. And they accept PayPal and credit and debit cards. You can set it up so that it will automatically come out of your account if you buy a gold material on the store, which is what I do. So if we go back, we go to, say, this one, and it costs 20 gold. If I clicked this button right now, because I don't have enough, it would automatically take it out of my bank account. So be very careful when using this. It's a good thing that it shows you your actual balance and it goes red when I don't have enough. So just make sure you're aware of that. Otherwise, you can just purchase it in increments of 500. Gold is essentially yen. 500 gold would be equivalent to 500 yen in Japan. So for the US and Australia, because our currencies are quite good against the yen, I don't think America is right now actually, but Australia's doing just fine against the yen. If you take off the last 2 zeros, you will get the result. So if you take off the 2 zeros of 1,000, you get 10. So for me, an Australian, it would be about $10. So you can go up, I think, all the way to 450. It's a really odd number it stops at. Okay, you can keep going to 49,500. I don't know why. So you can spend nearly $500 and get gold. Good luck to you if you have that kind of money to spare. I know I don't. But yeah, occasionally I'll buy like $5 worth of gold and buy a few things if I can't find them anywhere else. As you can see, I have about 10 cents worth of gold right now. Not very useful. As you can see, this artist is obviously Japanese because they can charge gold and clippy for their material. Japanese people are the only people who get to do that, and I don't know why. Maybe it's a financial tax thing or law in Japan, I don't know. But other users cannot charge gold for their content, so the only way that we can earn gold is through buying it, which really sucks. These Japanese people are so lucky that they can charge gold for their material, and that goes into their wallet, and they can just use the gold that they earned via the materials that they've made. It's really great for them. I hope they introduce that soon. So yes, that is gold. That is one way to do it. You'll be happy to know that gold is less popular than clippy, simply because not everyone can get gold as easily as Japanese people, so a lot of people just use clippy. The second currency is called clippy. You've probably heard me say that a few times already. There are 3 ways to earn clippy. The first way is by uploading a free material. So if we go back to Clip Studio, go back to materials, and I'm going to go to poses because, see that one? As you can see, there's a little icon there, which means I've uploaded it. So if we go onto that, material information, that's what it is. And you'll notice this right here, 48 hours limited free. And I've put that there because for the first 48 hours, I'm allowing this to be free. Your material has to be free for 48 hours in order to earn the free 150 clippy. So if we go back to uploads, you'll notice I uploaded it 23 hours ago. That means I still have about a day left before I get my 150 clippy for free. And then I will change the price of this and start charging a small amount for it. It did take time out of my day to make, so I'm charging a little. It's not much. It's literally 20 cents, 20 cents, 10 cents. And people can earn clippy for free, so it's not that bad. But that is the first way that you can earn clippy, and it's 150. If I change this right now to paid material, I will not earn that freely clippy. Please also note that you can only do this once a day. So it's not like you can upload 10 free materials a day and then in 48 hours earn 1,500 clippy. You can only upload one a day. Wait 24 hours, then upload your next free material. So technically in 10 days you can earn 1,500 clippy, just not in one day. The trick that I mentioned way earlier about getting more models for free than usual is that you actually follow creators on Clip Studio. I'll get to that a bit later. But if you follow creators, you'll get notified when they upload something. And a lot of creators do this trick. They upload material for 48 hours free, and then they change it. That gives you the opportunity to get amazing models that are going to be charged for later for absolutely nothing. So I'm going to show you an example of a creator that I follow religiously because they are fantastic. And it's called Clippers. Clippers or Clippers. So as you can see, this clock right here, they're charging 350 gold for it right now. That's a fair price, I would say. That's a very detailed model. Right, so that's about $3.50 in Australian. However, as you can see, I've downloaded it already because Clippers always post their models for free for 48 hours. I've gotten some absolutely phenomenal models from them for absolutely nothing. As you can see, an entire train carriage, a mansion, a tea stand, cloister, hospital, all of these, while they are charged now, were for free when I got them. And that's just stunning. A whole entire stage, an indoor pool. Come on, this Clippers is without a doubt the best producer of models in my opinion on Asset Store, simply because they do this. They offer it for free first, and that's just a wonderful thing for them to do. They're obviously earning money from it, but it's still good for the community. As you can see, these first ones are free because they posted them less than 48 hours ago. So that is the second way of earning clippy, is to charge for it. The next way to do it is to become a gold member. The membership costs 200 gold a month, so it's $2 Australian, 200 yen at least. We'll go with that. I'm going to compare it to yen from now on. So 200 yen a month, which is not much at all, especially if you already have gold in your account. And what happens is every month, I think for me it's the 15th or the 17th, I will be charged the 200 gold and I will get 1,800 clippy. That's a whole lot. And this depends on your monthly membership count. So the longer you hold the membership, the gold membership, the more you will get. So I was only getting 1,500 at the start, but because I've held it for a certain amount of time, my allowance increases each month. So now I'm receiving 1,800. This is important. Clippy does expire, which is a really bad business practice in my opinion. I absolutely despise things like that. In anything, like if I get a gift card, I don't think gift cards should expire because you've paid money for them. But if you are a gold member, it will never expire. And for $2 a month, I'm totally willing to pay that. I know not everyone can do that. Not everyone is also old enough to have PayPal or a debit or a credit card. But if you are and you can, I recommend it. It's $2 a month. It's nothing. Don't buy a coffee one day and you'll be set for the next 2 months because coffee is ridiculous right now. So that is the third way to get clippy, is having a membership, and you'll get a lump sum every month to go wild with.
And that's it for this video, so please subscribe so you don't miss the next one. If you have any questions, pop them down in the comments section below and I'll answer them as best I can. Don't forget to like and share, and thank you for watching. Bye!